Welcome to Omasae, where we create peaceful outdoor spaces inspired by nature and simplicity. Today's video is all about how to create a tropical Zen garden with rocks and greenery, designed to feel calm, balanced, and deeply relaxing. Even the smallest corner can become a soothing retreat when you combine natural stone textures with lush tropical plants. A Zen garden is not about filling every inch, but about choosing elements that bring harmony and serenity. Rocks provide grounding structure, while greenery adds softness, movement, and life. Together, they create a spa-like atmosphere that feels timeless and inviting. In this video, you'll see how simple design choices can completely transform the mood of your outdoor space. Each step focuses on peaceful materials, natural layering, and mindful placement. If you enjoy relaxing garden inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing what kind of garden retreat you dream of. Now let's begin building a tropical Zen oasis with rocks and greenery. The first step in creating a tropical Zen garden is designing the space with balance and intention. Zen gardens are meant to feel open and calming, so it's important not to overcrowd the area. Even a small patio or backyard corner can feel spacious when you leave room for breathing space. Start by imagining how you want the garden to feel when you step into it. Tropical elements bring warmth and lushness, while Zen design brings simplicity and calm structure. The layout should guide the eye gently, creating a sense of flow rather than clutter. Rocks can be placed as natural anchors, while plants soften the edges and add life. Using a mix of textures helps create depth even in a tiny space. Neutral tones in stones and planters allow greenery to stand out beautifully. The goal is to create a peaceful atmosphere where every element feels purposeful. With a thoughtful layout, your garden becomes an outdoor sanctuary. Rocks are one of the most powerful features in a tropical Zen garden because they create grounding energy. Smooth stones, gravel, and larger natural rocks provide structure and timeless beauty. In Zen design, stones often represent stability, strength, and the quiet presence of nature. A simple arrangement of rocks can feel like a natural sculpture in the garden. Pebbles can be used to create pathways or open areas that feel clean and peaceful. Larger stones can become focal points that draw the eye and add depth. The contrast between solid rock and soft greenery creates a calming balance. Light-colored stones brighten a small space, while darker rocks add a more dramatic mood. The sound of pebbles underfoot can also enhance the sensory experience. Arranging rocks with intention makes the garden feel harmonious rather than random. With rocks as the foundation, the space immediately feels more serene. To make your tropical Zen garden feel even more peaceful, consider the mood-enhancing details. Soft lighting can transform the space in the evening, creating a warm and calming glow. Lanterns or subtle solar lights highlight plants and stones beautifully without feeling harsh. Natural textures like bamboo accents or wooden elements add warmth and comfort. Even a small water feature can bring soothing sound and movement into the garden. The gentle trickle of water enhances relaxation and masks outside noise. Minimal decor keeps the space clean, sophisticated, and uncluttered. The goal is to create a garden that feels like a spa retreat right at home. Every detail should contribute to calmness, not distraction. When lighting, texture, and simplicity come together, the atmosphere becomes deeply restorative. Your garden becomes a place to breathe, reflect, and unwind. Greenery is what gives a tropical Zen garden its lush, relaxing atmosphere. The best tropical plants have gentle shapes and rich leaves that feel soothing to look at. Palms, ferns, and broadleaf plants instantly bring an exotic, peaceful vibe. Zen gardens focus on simplicity, so it's better to choose a few beautiful plants rather than overcrowding the space. Layering plants by height creates depth, even in a small garden. Tall greenery can frame the area, while smaller plants fill in the lower spaces. Leaf texture is important because it adds softness and movement in the breeze. Neutral planters help maintain a clean and sophisticated style. Green plants also create a natural sense of calm, making the space feel refreshing. The combination of tropical leaves with stone textures creates a spa-like mood. With the right greenery, the garden feels alive and inviting. The magic of a tropical Zen garden comes from how rocks and greenery work together. Stones bring structure and grounding, while plants add softness and life. When placed thoughtfully, these elements create a sense of balance and peaceful flow. A rock arrangement can act as the garden's centerpiece, surrounded by lush tropical leaves. Pebbles and gravel create clean open space that enhances the Zen atmosphere. Plants can soften the edges of stone pathways, making the garden feel natural and welcoming. The contrast between hard and soft textures creates visual harmony. Leaving open space between elements helps the design feel calm and uncluttered. Small details like moss near stones or layered greenery behind rocks add richness without chaos. The overall effect is a garden that feels both tropical and minimalist. When everything is balanced, the space becomes a true retreat. A tropical Zen garden with rocks and greenery is one of the most beautiful ways to create peace in any outdoor space. By combining grounding stone textures with lush tropical plants, you can design a sanctuary that feels calm, balanced, and timeless. The key is intention, choosing each element thoughtfully and leaving room for simplicity. Rocks provide stability, greenery adds life, and together they create harmony. Even a small garden can feel like a luxurious retreat when designed with care. This kind of space invites relaxation, mindfulness, and a deeper connection to nature. Thank you for spending this time with Omasae and joining this peaceful garden journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing what part of the tropical Zen style inspires you most. Your support helps bring more calming garden content to life. Until next time, may your space be filled with serenity and natural beauty.